everyone, this is Cindy Kabika from Energized Living Today, and guess who I have with us today? It is Joshua Bloom. And say hi to everybody.
Hi everyone.
He is going to be on April 21st, and tell us a little bit about what you're going to be talking about on the show.
Well, I have a belief that we have the ability to become limitless. And if you could imagine that it would be possible to become limitless, and if you consider the possibility that anything is possible, well, you're going to want to see this show, because we're going to be talking about this really in depth and discover how you can be limitless easily.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, I can't wait. And as you know, many of you, I've talked about Joshua and how he's helped me in my own health, and especially when it comes to my allergies, which was a really huge issue for me. So part of this is going to heal your life as well as help you be limitless in all areas. So please join us on April 21st, and that's at 5 o'clock Eastern, 2 o'clock Pacific. And thank you so much. I can't wait.
I can't wait either. What's possible for you?